Okay, let's discuss this top edge cut real quickly. So before, I was an advocate of some crazy little, like 3 blades out, don't push the handle of the blade into the film, and I would go 45 down and 45 straight, and actually bend the blade up a little bit so it pinches against it. I don't do that anymore. Reason why is because I was going through blades like crazy. What you literally want to do is when I go 3 blades out, and you want to, I'm trying to get close so you guys can see, I'm going to push through the film, I'm going to lay that blade flat. Okay, so if I keep it flat here, I don't want it like that, right? Just keep it flat and just keep the angle. So what you don't want to do is you don't want to do this. As you're cutting, you don't want to change the angle of your hand. So you just want to cut right through and just keep that angle the same, and then just move flat against the glass, just like that. And that has shown me to be the very best way to cut. I don't know what I was thinking doing the other way. So I'm going to show you here. Top edge, always squeegee it down so it's nice and tight. Be aware of what you're seeing. Look, there's gaskets here, so I can't push straight through here without cutting that. So be aware of that. But I like to push it down just so I know that it's tacked down, and then I wet it. So when I wet it, now my hand is going to slide nice and easy. If it's dry, it could jerk or it could slide the film over, which what you don't want to do. 3 blades out. And notice here, look at my stance, right? I'm not cutting with my hand. I'm trying to show you my body here. I'm not cutting with my hand. I am gonna be cutting with my body. And I'm gonna keep my hand still and keep the same angle, but I'm using my body to move, okay? Because if you move your hand, then the angle could change. So I'm gonna push through, make sure that blade stays flat, and I'm just gonna slide right through. Look at my body. Look at my body. All right, and you're just gonna keep all the way through. And I like dragging these knuckles this way because it keeps the film flat. Sometimes it'll try to lift. You wanna keep going until you get resistance. Boom, like right there, I hit the film, I hit the edge. So we're just gonna cut it right there. So I leave an inch on the edge. But look at that. It's a clean ass straight line. No waves, no bumps, no fuss, no muss. So that is how you cut a perfect top edge. A consistent top edge every time. I am amending anything I've ever said before. This is now the new standard in regards to how I cut a top edge. Lesson done.